What is up, my friends out there in YouTube? Damn, it is a beautiful Sunday morning. Sunday. And I'm out here on the motorcycle. Now I'm going to a meeting for work. So, you know, yeah. So 2023 has been a really weird year for me. Guys out there taking pictures of the waterfall dam. So it's been a really weird year for me for riding. So I bought this beautiful 2023 Harley Davidson Lowrider ST back in May, beginning of May, early May. And I just recently, like yesterday, hit 1K. So that's almost 3 months now that I've had this motorcycle, and I finally hit the 1K mark. And yeah, I know, get out there and ride my shit. I understand all that fun stuff, but unfortunately I don't have a lot of the time. And the way this summer's been going, it's been really difficult at times to get out and ride. So most of the riding I do, and I have said this many times, is commuting back and forth to work. So that's most of the riding I do. So me actually being out on a weekend day off, it's a rare occasion for me anymore. I mean, this is the first weekend I've been out on the motorcycle probably in a month and a half, maybe 2 months. I don't even remember last time I was out on the weekend on the bike getting a ride in. So I'm finally out here on the weekend though, but I mean, my weekends are kind of messed up anyway. I work Monday night through Friday night, or technically Saturday morning. So it all depends on what time I get home on a Saturday is how my weekend is going to go. So a lot of times I get done early, but there are times where I get done late. And if I get done, even if I get done early, by the time I get home, relax, take a shower, grab some food, do whatever, go to bed. By the time I wake up, it is, you know, early to mid-afternoon, depending on the day. So the majority of my Saturday is shot. And then, you know, we normally have stuff to do, run around to do this and that on a Saturday. You know, weekly grocery shopping, that kind of shit, you know, the typical household stuff. So then Sunday is like my really truly one day off. I have all day to be off, and that involves you know, doing stuff around the house, having to fucking actually mow the grass and do all that bullshit. So it sucks because it doesn't give me time to do this, to get on a motorcycle and ride and just enjoy the 2023 Lowrider ST. So, you know, it's weird. And even like riding back and forth to work, it hasn't been as much as it normally has in the past. I mean, the way the weather has been, and I know you're a real biker riding any kind of weather, blah blah blah, yada yada yada. I'm not gonna ride to work and have to deal with fucking being moist all fucking night at work because I got rained on because I wanted to ride the motorcycle to work. No, that ain't gonna happen. And we've had a lot of thunderstorms coming through lately, pop-up thunderstorms. So yes, it's been a challenging summer to get out and ride for me. You know, other people don't have the lifestyle I have, or don't have the schedule I have, and you have every opportunity to get out and ride. Hey, good for you. So, you know, I haven't been riding. I really haven't been making much content, and that's basically what's going on. So today I figured, fuck it, it's a beautiful day. It's like mid-60s right now. It's, I don't know, 9:30 in the morning, mid-60s, and it's beautiful right now. So fuck, man, I'd be stupid not to ride the bike to go over to this meeting. Not a fucking cloud. Look, I don't know if you can see, I don't know what the hell this GoPro's gonna bring, but there ain't a cloud in the sky. It's beautiful out here. So yeah, so I'm going to take advantage of the situation while it is presenting itself. All right, guys. So yeah, coming up to a red light, and I want to end my video. And I normally ride off ending my video. I don't know why I picked these gloves today. Oh, I do, because my other ones were wet. Be a good reason to pick a dry set of gloves, right? Yeah. So, my friends, here we go. So, my friends, until next time, y'all stay safe. Y'all love one another. Peace.